In this video, we are going to organize a messy folder that contains variety type of file or extensions. Usually it be the download folder majority of times, but it can be anything too. I've created a junk folder here as an example. Let's sort out this with the help of a Python program. Do watch the entire video to see how you can perform a time-consuming task in a blink of an eye with the help of an automation program. You can get the source code from my website. The link is given below. So, without wasting any time, let's begin. You've to select the folder path through this button, or you can mention the path directly here. In my case, I'm going to select this folder that is containing different type of files including videos, images, documents, some program files, music files, etc. Let's see how this program can sort out these files in a neat and tidy shape. See, music files are moved to music folder, documents are moved to documents folder, all the images to pictures folder, program files are moved to programs folder, and so on. So, what do you think? Is this application going to help you? Comment below. If you like this, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to this channel to get more lovely topics like this freely.